middle name is like blonde.
And her first name is Food.
And she'd like her third name to be intelligent.
Darling, I think you've completely forgotten she also likes to be called amazing.
I totally did forget. Here's Sonam Kapoor.
Introducing the Paris Hilton of Bollywood, Sonam Kapoor.
Yeah, I'm a Punjabi auntie. I'm going to grow up to be a Punjabi auntie.
I don't know English properly, forget French. And you're more concerned about is my film going to be a hit or not? I took it out, no, I had, right? So I just licked it off. She's like my mom, okay? She's like, Sona, you can't do that. Oh my God, Sona, why did you say that on national television?
I do stupid things whether I'm in love or not.
Hina Spice presents the top 5 reasons why Sonam Kapoor is Bollywood's blonde shell. Politically incorrect is an understatement. Sonam takes the cake with her rather dense one-liners.
I mean, I love Delhi, but they only think about marriage. I mean, all the girls there. I mean, Ranbir is a great friend, but I don't know if he's a great boyfriend. There's a reason it's called cheating. Cheating is a bad word. I have a relationship with my pillow. I think it'll be retarded of me not to like take his advice. It's retarded. It's too much fun.
Last heard, Sonam's foot was still firmly stuck in her mouth. So it's one thing being a fashionista, but it's quite another being Miss Rich Poor Little Thing who wants every label in the world.
Clothes are something that I just love. No, I bought this dress just now in Edinburgh. And fashion is something that, clothes actually, more than in fashion. She didn't want me to wear a bikini. I love Maison Margiela. Very strange, but I haven't decided what I'm going to wear yet. My favorite brand is Christian Dior and Chanel. Topshop and Dolce & Gabbana. You know how much I love makeup and hair. I shop at a lot of high street stores when I'm abroad. I actually feel like shopping. I love Zara, I love Club Monaco. So I'm wearing a really hot backless outfit. I want to buy that. I love those sort of clothes. How can I choose? This is ridiculous. I love Helmut Lang, Alexander Wang.
Are your ears ringing yet?
Are you hungry?
Well, worry not, cause from clothes to food, everything makes this chick drool. And yes, we have to hear about it all the time.
Yes, I am.
Mera match is made in heaven with chocolate ice cream.
When I come to Delhi, I eat Delhi. I haven't eaten pastries the night before or something like that. Mutton with red chilies and ghee, and you really know it. Gajar ka halwa, he'd feed me this, he'd feed me that. I put on like 5 to 6 kilos. My mother's watering because I'm so hungry. Because there's so much meat. For a while, Chinese food and Asian food is amazing. Strawberries and milkmaid and chocolate.
Yes, I am. We like our carbs too, honey, but cut out the drama. Sometimes. Oh, but wait, she's in a completely lost cause. Because Miss Kapoor here gives some pretty intelligent answers.
I'm a voracious reader. Fortunately, I'm a girl. I'm not very much into cricket. It's our national sport, so we don't have nice libraries in India. I am extremely interested in facts, figures, and budget.
budget खा गया?
Roads, please. Someone.
News for you, Sonam. You're not the only one who reads, but maybe the only one who reads and repeats.
The latest interesting fact that I have read is that, a lot of people are going in for plastic surgery, right, these days. You know, some people who get buried, their silicons can left behind. If you go into the graveyard and if you uncover their bodies, then all the plastic bits are still left behind. It's all left because because it's plastic. Everything else erodes.
And finally, for someone who makes quite a show of her intellectual side, your vocabulary sure doesn't match the claim.
I think he's an amazing guy. He's amazing. So amazing. Yeah, I know, but it's amazing. Amazing magazine. Bye guys, I had so much fun shopping and giving away my amazing clothes.
Free advice from us, Sonam. Read up and color your hair. What else? Blonde.
This was an amazing, my best show ever. I love it. Thank you so much for letting me do this.